Hello my friend, in this video we will talk about Udemy. I will share with you, in my opinion, what are advantages of this platform and what are disadvantages of this platform. And probably you're thinking that Andrii in this video will share with us how much does he earn on Udemy, don't you? If you want to know answer on this question, do not hesitate to ask me directly. Link to my Patreon account like below this video, you can message me there. By the end of this video you will be able to answer to yourself whether you want to have your course published on Udemy or no. And it wouldn't be so fun and listen about advantages of Udemy, I will be honest with you, but believe me, you would love how I'm speaking about disadvantages of this platform. And just to remind you who I am, my name is Andrii, I'm already 1 year on Udemy and I made 5,100 students just in 1 year. You don't believe me? Just check my public Udemy profile right beneath this video. You also can find there some courses that we did together with friends of mine and I help them to promote those courses. I can promote the same your course if you wish, just write me in my social networks. You can find my contacts right below this video. It's really a lot of promotional information already. Okay, let's start with useful content finally. Okay, let's start from advantages. Advantages never should sound like funny thing, but still it is fair to mention them. One of the biggest advantages in my opinion of publishing your course on Udemy is having really big audience. There are already, I don't know, it's really a lot of courses. I'm publishing courses in Java topic and it's more than 10,000 courses there. It's insane, it's really a lot of courses there, and students of other courses also see your course and probably you might interest them with your content. Why not? It's a good opportunity for you to win this market. Just make the best course in your topic where you're feeling like being a really good professional and just publish it straight away. I believe you will find your audience. The next thing that I really like about Udemy is the great marketing campaigns. Even friends of mine just sending me messages and tell me, "Hey Andrii, here's Udemy promoting your course to me." This case was really many times. Udemy buys really a lot of ad in different social networks, in search engines and so on and so forth, and really a lot of people joining Udemy every day. All of them potentially your students, and this is really great to have such partner as Udemy. I'm not acting like standalone teacher or standalone businessman. I have my partner Udemy, who is in charge of all marketing stuff and stuff like finding the potential students for me. You can understand that not all of the students that will be attracted to Udemy platform will be your students at the end of the day, but still it is better than nothing, agree? The third thing that is really also very important, Udemy is just a great platform. I can publish coding exercises, I can publish videos, I can publish tests, I can watch student statistics, I can chat with them, the Q&A under specific minute, under specific second of my lesson. It's just a great platform and it works well. Whether you are studying from your mobile or from a desktop, it's just a great software product itself. And don't think that Udemy paid me for this feedback. If something done in a really good way, I will not hide it from you. It was to say that something was done really great. But probably that's all advantages that I can mention. Finally, let's start with disadvantages and public bullying. And finally, the thing that you're waiting so long in this video, disadvantages of Udemy. So the first thing that I don't like, the students are not only mine, those are students of Udemy platform in general. How it impacts me? Well, I can send a lot of emails to them, there are educational and promotional emails, there is a limit per month, no matter how much courses you have. For example, I already have a lot of courses, but my announcement limits, so the number of emails that I can send to all my students isn't changed. And it is a little bit disappointing, because I put a lot of heart and efforts to find my students, to talk with them, to help them, to talk with them on Instagram, come, and it's not that I'm obligated to do so. Yeah, I just love it, and these people attended my courses. Why I just can't share with them information that I want, and more times per month that Udemy wants me to share it. Also, there are some limitations on the content of this newsletter. You just need to be aware about those. The next thing that really disappointed me is that really old-fashioned and really old courses are in top.
Science! Science!
And they have really a lot of reviews because probably they're there for 10 years. I don't know how much time it is needed to gather so many feedbacks, I don't know. But the thing is, it will be really hard for you to be on the first page of organic search because there are really a lot of courses that are published long time ago and they seem to be more popular. I don't know why. For example, Java Junior Engineer who just started learning Java, he just can't understand. Yeah, he or she just can't understand whether it's valid knowledge and course to learn or it's already outdated. The topics, the frameworks that they're teaching are not used. Old-fashioned presentations, you remember that PowerPoint in Windows 98, where they take this presentation from, in my opinion, yeah? Because you can check my lessons, at least few of my lessons, you will find some animated videos. I work so hard. If I'm talking about object-oriented programming and I share an example with cars, so the car is driving, wheels are spinning, and so on and so forth, a lot of animation that helps to visualize the things that I'm talking about. This just proves, no matter how students you have, for example, I have 5,100 students like I said, no matter how good your lessons are, because you may have animated courses, animated lessons, and so on and so forth, it looks like it doesn't play really a lot of things. It plays something, but the result is not as I am expected. There's no system yet on place that will validate your course and that will promote your course over the other old courses on the platform. Another disadvantage of Udemy is lack of a proper review policy. It's crazy, guys. I have really a lot of positive feedbacks from students of mine, but it is impossible that course that has average rating of 4.5 got 1 star in review. For those who are not aware, each student can rank your course with stars from 1 to 5 and leave a comment. And what I'm saying, there are some students that just put 1 star for me. It is obvious that this is completely non-valid review. Why I'm so sure? The course has nice videos, much better than top courses on Udemy. Really, much better. The course has examples, the course has coding exercises, open code examples, and what is more important, the course already have really a lot of 5 stars review. It is impossible that course have 200,000 students who like this course. And there are some people who just put 1 star. And another point why I am sure that these reviews are not valid, I just noticed that when my courses appeared to be on the first page of organic search, apparently there are some people who wanna put 1 star to my course. Where you were, guys, when I were on previous pages in search engine? It is just not fair. And I wrote to Udemy support and they just told me, well, it's fair feedback, it's bullshit. Because I see student statistics and the students who rate me really low, they didn't watch my course at all. They just watched few lessons and just put me 1 star and that's it. It's not fair. They didn't watch my course at all. I will not name other learning platform, but it will be more fair to allow students only those who pass all courses till the end, only those students can rate your course. That would be fair in my opinion. So, like in all big business, if you are a new player on the market and you are treating others by introducing really good content, expect that not all other teachers and people will be your friends. That is true. It's not only on Udemy, it is like in every big business. Basically, nothing new to me. I'm just saying that Udemy as a mediator can play a little bit better role here. Another thing that you also need to know before publishing your course, it will require your time. It's not just having one course published on Udemy and just sitting and waiting while students will enroll into your courses. When you created one course, you need to create another one. When you created another one, you need to start working on the third one. You need to promote your course. You need to answer students' questions. You need to build this two-way communication. And also one more important thing. I'm already 1 year on Udemy. I have 500,000 students and my course is still not on Udemy for Business. And I also watch some videos on YouTube and I expect some sales growth when my courses will be on Udemy for Business, but this is not the case yet, unfortunately. I wrote to Udemy support. Guys, my course already ranked as more than 4.5 stars. My course already have more than 150,000 students. Don't remember exactly. You can check my courses. There are really a lot of students. Why my course still not on Udemy for Business? And they replied me with some template answer like we have a lot of different criteria to select courses for Udemy for Business. What is those criteria? Just tell me. I'm happy to meet this criteria. I don't know when, but someday my courses will be on Udemy for Business, I'm sure. Because I will keep working on my courses, I will create new courses, and I will create the best content on Udemy. I'm sure about that, because I saw that courses and really guys, I'm sure that I can create the best courses in my area. It will take some time, but it doesn't bother me too much because I like talk to the students. I like sharing with them knowledge. I really appreciate all the feedback that I get. I really like to talk with them, to help them and see how they grow. I never worked on Udemy for money, and that is true. Don't even start to work on Udemy just because of money. That would be my advice. And now you can ask yourself whether it's worth to work on Udemy. It's only up to you. So probably that's it for this video. I tried to be honest and fair with you. Even in case I missed something but you're interested in other questions about Udemy, just write in comments your question. I will read it and I will try to answer it. Depending on your question, I will answer either in comment section or I will create another video. So again, just put thumbs up, subscribe to this channel to not miss other videos, and leave your comments about Udemy and ask me whatever you want to know. Have a nice day. Bye.